Okay, hi students. I'm redoing this video because it was kind of blurry the first time. Anyway, so today in class we were doing, some of you were doing 3-digit times 2-digit, and some of you were doing 2-digit times 2-digit. It doesn't really matter because it's the same process, okay? And some of you are asking, what does this mean? Multiply by ones and then tens. Guys, that's partial products. Just like I was showing you in class, it's 282 times the ones place, which is 9, and 282 times the tens place, which is 10. Uh-oh. Let me get another pencil. Hold on. I have one right here. Okay, so you would, here's the process, guys. Always start at the bottom. Always, always, always. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry that 1. 9 times 8 is 72, plus 1 is 73. Have to draw real small and neat. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 7, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Yes, even a teacher sometimes has to use her fingers. It's okay. All right, now that we're done with the 9, remember I showed you today in class to make it a 0, okay? Cross off what you've used already, and now, look, it's pretty clear what you have to do next. You do have to drop that place value holder, and then 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 2 is 2. And then just add those up, okay? We have 8, 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, and carry the 1, and then you have 3. Let me make sure that's correct. Okay, so let's go to the calculator. Drum roll. Keep your fingers crossed for me, please. 282 times 19 equals, here we go. Uh-oh, 5,000. Let me check my numbers one more time. See, now this is the problem here. I didn't do a very good job lining up my numbers, did I? So let me erase, and let me do a really better job lining up my... This is a perfect example of a careless error, and it happens all the time. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 8 is 8. And 1 times 2 is 2. Okay? Now, let me try again. 8, 3, 4, 5. 8 plus 5, is 13. Carry the 1 up here. Aha, totally see my mistake. 4 and 5. There we go. And I really do encourage you guys to use a calculator to check your work, because when I used the calculator to check my work, I realized I was wrong. I went over there and I found my mistake. And I think that's what you need to be doing is, if you're wrong, that's okay. Just find your mistake, okay? Let me get to the back. You do have 3 word problems. This word problem is linked to this graphic organizer, which is a table. This word problem, of course, I looked at it and went into panic mode because I looked at A, B, C, and D. But don't do that. I have a strategy called cover and run. And sometimes I like to just cover the answers and just think about what the question is.
Where are they? Oh, they're on the down.
If you just think about what you know, 60 minutes is 1 hour. 1 hour, there's 60 minutes in an hour. How many hours are in a day? How many days are in a year? That's all you have to think about. You've got background knowledge. Remember that BK, and no, it does not stand for Burger King. Okay? All right, and then let's move on to the next word problem. Okay? So we start out with what we know. There are 24 students. 13 of them sold 150 raffle tickets or more. 60 of them, not 60 of them, we don't know how many of them sold 60 raffle tickets. So we have to think, okay, if we know that 13 out of the class sold 150 or more, how many just sold 60? Okay, so just think about it. All right, guys, good luck. Do your homework and have a good evening.